If I had to tell the world about love, I would speak about us. It's dancing in the kitchen while cooking dinner. It's comforting each other in the middle of the night. It's 3 hand squeezes to say I love you in a crowded bar. Loving you is my favorite thing, and being loved by you is a close second.
From the moment I met you, our bond was undeniable. It truly did feel like fate. Every moment together felt like home. And even now that we share a real home together, I still find myself most settled in your arms.
You truly see me, and I you. We bring out the best in each other, and I'm so grateful for that. I promise to love and support you, to be there for you, to be your best friend, and to be your soulmate.
You make me feel so whole and like I can do anything. You're my peace and comfort amongst all the chaos of the world. You're my deepest, deep in the belly laugh. You're the charger to my battery. You're my perfect puzzle piece. I can't thank you enough for all of your unwavering support and the pure joy that you've brought me. You really are my everything and beyond.
Yeah, I love it.
You do a spin now. I want to see. Ooh.
From now on, you will be traveling the road between who you think you are and who you can be. The key is to allow yourself to make the journey.
We are all honored and grateful to be a part of Steph and Clarisse's family from this day and forever after.
Clarisse is one of the funniest, most passionate, and genuine people I have ever met. I know she brings Steph so much joy and will continue to do so forever.
I can't imagine 2 people more perfect for each other. I'm so proud to be your friend and celebrate you today.
I promise to keep exploring with you, whether it's traveling the world or just adding new flavors to our cookbook. I promise to always be on your side and to help you get back up when you get knocked down.
I promise to always be there for you, to stand by your side no matter what. I promise to love you, to respect you, to treat you with kindness and grace. I promise to be the best partner I can be, because you deserve that.
We met at a concert, and the music hasn't stopped yet. Here's to dancing to it together forever.
Thank you for loving me. Thank you for this life together. Thank you for marrying me. I love you endlessly.